Friends, today we are going to see how to insert and node in the linked list, doubly linked list. What we say, like first we are going to create a class named as node and then a function which contains self and data. Now in self.data we declare it as a data is equals to self.next is none and self.pre is none. Pre means previous pointer, let's say, and here we created a new class named as Doubly Linked List, and here we passed a function and then we created data like function we have created here to get input from the user, like enter the number, and it returns a node and data, and then we have created a display function. If here we have used if else and while conditions loops, we can say if s is equals to none, print empty list, means if there is no node in the s, then print it is as empty list, else while s like travel up to s, like travel in the node of s, travel in the list of s, print s dot data, and it is nothing but space that we need, like this arrow need to be there in between two nodes. So we will print s, the data of s, and will point to s dot next, means the next node to the s, and if there is nothing, so print none. At the last you need to print none. So now it was a display function, it was create function. Now we will go for main thing, which is insert at first in linked list. So we have created a function def insert at first self comma s, which is pointing to self, and s is a reference. We say we have used same like the condition we used above. The first is if else. If s is equals to none, means if there is no things, no data, no node in s, then s is equals to self.create. This self.create creates a node in s as we have given here, and returns s. Like if there is nothing in the s, so create one node and return s, we will get insertion at first. And then second is new is equals to self.create, else if there is something in the node s, then please create new node, and then new dot next is equals to s, means just make a condition, or like we are just declaring that the next pointer in the new node will be pointing to s, and s dot previous, the previous pointer of s will be pointing to new node which we have created now, and s is equals to new, means now we are saying that the thing we have created, the node we have created will be s, the head will be now new node, and return s. This is what all about insertion at first in linked list, doubly linked list. And then we here state that start is equals to none, there is none at the starting, there is none, l is equals to doubly linked list, and start l dot insert at first start, l dot insert at first start. Like we are getting 3 inputs over here, like we will be soon getting with 3 inputs from the user. Like if we say now, let's run this problem, we will get, so python double is circular link.py. this is something weird name I have put in, so don't make anything on that. Let's start. Here it says us to enter a number, let's enter 10, let's enter like say 88, enter 46, and that's it. It has created 56, 88, 10. At the first we given an input of 10, so it inserted 10 over here, and then we given a second node as 88, so the 10 goes behind and 88 comes front, and then 56 same as that. So this is what insertion of node at the start of doubly linked list. And also I have done delete at the first of the doubly linked list. If you want more videos on this, please comment down or make share there, and also share these stuffs to your friends who are preparing for the placements. Thank you.